Hey guys, it's NickEpic, and today I'm going to be making another video. Today we are playing the 2-player tycoon, and today we have a special guest. Hey guys, so it is my sister, and she never played. This is her first time playing on the computer.
Wait, did you mention we were playing the Bunker Tycoon?
Not yet, but we're playing the Bunker Tycoon.
Secret Bunker Tycoon?
The secret one. And
First time playing on the computer?
Yeah. She actually never played it before. She never played on the computer, except right now. But I showed her a couple tips, so she should be able to play. She's still kind of a noob, though.
Yeah.
She has the bad mouse.
Yeah, I do.
She has the bad mouse.
You should have given me the good mouse.
Yeah, but I don't even know how to use that mouse. So, how many do you got down?
Droppers have you bought?
3.
I have. You bought it before me.
So guys, one time I was playing this game and I bought everything on this game. It took less than 2 hours, but yeah.
There's some guy outside.
So you go and
he's
kill him.
AFK. You see?
Pay.
Just pay friends.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
I just go and kill him anyways. Hey dude, you gonna die? He came here to die. Hey, $400. $650. Are you already buying stuff on my side?
No.
Are you going to get your money?
Yeah.
Wait, are these? Can you walk through these? You can't walk through these? Oh, you could. Wait, okay. Alright, so I need to get all this stuff over there, but I don't have enough money. Money. What are you doing? I'm going to open this screen. You got every single one down. Every single one down. Pointing on can.
So is my cash slower than yours?
Yeah. I have a diamond one. Why are you trying to get my money?
I'm not.
Why do you keep on going over here? Wheels. Alright. Let's go get your diamond drill. Oh, you already got both of those?
Didn't you?
No.
I don't even know where my mouse is.
Okay, what are we doing here? How much money do you have?
410.
410? I have more than you.
575 now.
I have 1,100.
Buy my diamond drill now.
Your diamond drill? Oh, wait, what? Oh. I'm buying my thing.
This is only supposed to be 15 minutes, right?
What?
This is only going to be 15 minutes, right?
Or less, yeah. Video's 15 minutes. So guys, I can't make a video more than 15 minutes because that's the maximum of time we have.
What are we at right now?
We're like at we're 4.5 minutes in.
Hello.
Hello. I should start. You're like breaking your computer. Right. Let's see how much you got done.
Can you buy mine?
Yeah, I came over here too.
I'll buy this stuff. The cheapy things.
I bought a lot more than you.
And then this one. See?
Where? It's going now down. Oh, why is the table sticky?
Ooh, that's a little dangerous. Thumbtack.
Oh, why is there a nail?
It's a thumbtack,
Oh, you.
not a nail.
You gross.
Just gonna toss it in the trash.
Toss it in the trash.
Here, go put it in the trash.
Ah, you almost poked me.
I know, I poked myself. Here.
Did you do that on purpose?
No, you're supposed to throw in the trash. Look right there.
Alright, let's go back into this game. I'm coming back to upgrade.
We're at 6. I don't know what else to do.
Why do you keep on looking at my screen?
I don't know. Okay, I have almost 3,000. So, what do you want me to buy?
Buy some walls because I'm already finished with the first floor.
Oh, I bought lights. Where are they? Where are the lights?
It just makes it brighter. There's actually no lights, I don't think.
Okay, I'll do the secret hideout walls. Oh wow, that's real secret.
Okay. Now I need to save up for the
And
second
then I
floor.
bought the owner only door.
Now I need to save up for the second floor. Why? Why?
I didn't put anything in your hair. Okay, I'm buying the second floor.
Okay, good. Now I could buy some.
Can you buy the pistol?
Why?
It's only 500.
Where? Where is it?
It's by this. Yeah.
Where?
Over here. You're blind.
Oh, this one? There.
Ugh. I
There.
can't climb up the stairs. Don't shoot me.
Oh, yeah. What? Conveyors are so expensive.
Only $100.
It's a lot. Oh, I can't even buy the second one. Can you? You can't even buy the first one.
I fell.
Good. Good. Oh, guys, by the way, do you like my new head?
No. It looks like tofu.
Tofu? It looks like a piece of toast. Right?
No.
Yeah, it does. It looks like a piece of poop with toast spreader on top with some Nutella on the back, and on the sides there's some peanut butter. Now let's
Why did I buy this? I don't even have a dropper.
You don't even have one
I bought an
dropper.
upgrader, but I don't have a dropper.
Wow. I just spit on the screen. Oh yay, my mouse is...
Oh yeah, you have touch screens.
I have touch screen, you guys, bros. Bros, I have touch screen. I'm touching the keyboard.
Like every computer these days.
Yeah, bruh. Okay, what am I
You
doing?
old school.
What? I need old school.
Mine is old school. Mine
No.
doesn't have touch screen.
Oh yeah, you don't have touch screen on
My
you.
computer's like 10 years old. Older than you.
And it's 1 year younger than you. I mean, 1.5. I mean, what? 1.5.
4. I mean 2.
No, it's not 2.
Do you not know how old I am?
You're 11 and a half.
Nah.
How old are you?
12.
Not 12.
You don't even know how old I am.
Oh, I almost just bought that bike.
There's a guy down there. Can you shoot him with your pistol?
Okay, I will. Shoot. Oh, he's the innocent guy again.
If you shoot him, I don't care.
Oh, look at how good my aim is.
Should I buy another polisher? It's not a dropper, but whatever.
He's hiding behind the tower.
I know, because he's scared of you, evil young child.
He's scared of you also, so he's
I'm
running.
not doing anything to him. Five, 4 more minutes. I'll make videos longer.
Some people do it for like 24 hours though.
No,
Yeah, they do.
I mean, maybe if they're live streaming, they can live stream themselves sleeping. That's kind of creepy though.
Can you protect the outside? Because I'm going to go inside there.
Do what you want. I'm just gonna do stuff.
Are you breaking your computer?
No, it's copying you. Is yours loud?
No.
Not as loud as mine.
Hello. Ha, ha. Oops. Ha. There you go. Oh, 10,000 gold. Wow. How much have you bought? Oh, you
Some
bought
stuff.
Oh, you just bought some? Wow.
Yes.
Oh. Did you even finish the stuff on my... You didn't even finish this?
I need to buy my stuff first.
I bought all of your stuff.
Well, that's because you're better at Roblox than me.
No, I'm way worse than you.
No, I've only been playing for like not even a day.
Oh, yeah.
Not even an hour.
You probably played for like 8 hours.
No.
Yeah. Why am I going up?
I just made an account before lunch.
I know, it's like...
And it's not even close to dinner.
Yeah, it's like 3 o'clock.
2 minutes.
Why do you keep on looking so creepy and crap on my screen? Oh, Michael Jackson, bros. Oh.
I wish.
I'm
gonna go get the pistol.
Alright, let's go. Bam!
Can I shoot
Smack.
you?
No, that's not possible.
Can I shoot you?
It won't take any damage.
Can I shoot you though?
Yeah, you can shoot me.
Where are you?
No, nowhere.
Oh, you're outside. I'm gonna go on your side.
Right? Don't go outside then.
Stuck.
Don't go outside. I'm outside.
I'm gonna go buy things.
If you don't believe me, then look at my screen.
I'm going to buy stuff.
Why do you want to friend me if you tried to like kill me
I'm
7
not
trillion times? No,
There's
this
1 minute, like not even 1 minute left. I don't want to friend you,
Medomel. You tried to friend me.
Friend you.
Yeah, don't friend him. He's really.
We have 30 seconds.
We have 30 more seconds in, you
Money
guys.
box.
Oh, money box. Those are
I
weak.
can't move. I'm stuck.
Good. Good. That means you're totally stuck. Oops.
Alright.
Wait, did I buy every single? Wait, I already believe every.
We have like 9 seconds, so do your outro.
See you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Yeah.